This video is for the directions for Is My Website Reliable? So your partner should be on this screen and you're going to click on the name of the document. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to search about and whatever location you're doing for your project. And then you'll click on a link that appears. So usually try for one of the first links that appears. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to copy the URL. So the URL is up at the top of the screen. So you're just going to click up at the top and it's going to highlight it in blue. Then you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard and that's going to copy the URL. Next, you're going to click back over to the Is My Website Reliable tab and you're going to click under the space where it says URL of website. And then you're going to hit Control-V to paste it. And then you'll hit the space bar. And that's going to turn that into a link. Next, you're going to copy the domain. So you're going to click back over to the tab with your website. And you're just going to click in the white space in the address bar to unhighlight it. And the domain is the part that comes before either .com, .gov, or .org. So in this case, it's the Freedom Trail. It's the second to last part in black. Notice that some of the other stuff is in gray. So just going to go ahead and highlight that domain and then Control-C to copy. Click back over to the Is My Website Reliable tab and then you're going to click in the space under where it says domain and then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste it. Next, what you're going to do is copy the suffix. That's the part that's the last one in black. In this case, it's .org. So we're just going to copy that. So we're going to click and drag to highlight it and then hit Control-C and then click over to the Is My Website Reliable and click in it and then the suffix Control-V to paste. Next, we're going to give 4 reasons why we think the website is reliable. And there are 7 examples of why a website might be reliable. So, for example, does it have a professional appearance? And if it does, we want to be specific about what's professional looking. So we can say that, that they have a professional looking calendar and sign up and link. So we can say over here for our first reason, we can say professional appearance with calendar, links, and professional photographs. And next we can check perhaps the date. And so a lot of the time you'll find the date at the bottom. So in this case it was copywritten in 2015, so it's pretty new. So we'll click back over to the Is My Website Reliable tab and we'll say copyrighted in 2015. Another reason you might see it as if you recognize and trust the domain, which is, for example, the part before the .com, the .org. So, that would be the Freedom Trail. Does that sound familiar? And it does. So you can say that I recognize the domain, the Freedom Trail. And then finally, for another reason, we can check to see if there's another fact or a fact that we can find on other websites. So for example, on this page, so we're just going to click back over to the page, it says that the Freedom Trail is a 2.5 mile walking trail. So maybe what we can do is in another tab, we can search how long is the Freedom Trail. And if we can find other websites that say the same thing, then that would be excellent. So this is the one we were on because it's in purple. But anyway, here's another website that says the same thing. Here's the third website that says the same thing. So we can say, and here's actually a fifth one. So we can say that several other websites also say that the Freedom Trail is 2.5 miles long. So we've fact checked it and made sure that the facts on the website match up with other facts on other websites. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to turn in your work. So what you're going to do is click up at the top where it says your name, and you want to make sure that you also put your partner's name in there too. So that way you'll both get credit for it. Then what you're going to do is click back over to the Google Classroom tab, and then you're going to click on Turn In, and then click Turn In the pop-up window that appears. And that's it.